Good morning friends, I am Utkarsha Chaudhary, BSc second year student in Department of Botany, J.M. Patel College, Bhandara. Today I want to share some important information about a popular houseplant money plant. Its scientific name is Epipremnum aureum and it belongs to family Araceae. This houseplant grows mostly indoors in water. Money plant in pot propagated from cutting and grown easily from stem cutting in water pot or soil. Everybody knows about indoor plant as an ornamental plant, and recent research proved some of this plant have tremendous capacity to release oxygen, and this helps in purifying indoor air quality. In the present situation, because of lockdown, the whole family is staying in their homes, so it is necessary to improve indoor air quality in our home. Money plant is one of the important air purifying plant. So here you can collect 2-3 twigs of money plant, make a bunch of twig and put it into the water container and keep this plant in all the rooms of your home, exclusively in kitchen where many type of toxic release. According to NASA report, the money plant has high photosynthetic efficiency to release more oxygen and ability to remove toxic and improve indoor air quality. So keep money plant, get purified air and be healthy. I hope you can understand importance of indoor air plant. So guys, keep money plant in your home. Stay home, stay safe and keep supporting to government during lockdown.
Hello friends, I am Sonal Tandekar, BSc final year student in the Department of Botany, pursuing in the J.M. Patel College, Bhandara. I am giving the seminar from my house because of lockdown of the coronavirus. So guys, stay home, stay safe. I would like to deliver the topic is microscopy. So let's get started. First of all, we see the outline of the microscopy. First is the definition and second is the types of microscope. There are three types of microscope: light microscope, fluorescence microscope, electron microscope. So we see microscopy. Many microorganisms are very microscopic and we cannot see by our naked eyes. Leeuwenhoek discovered unicellular and independently living microorganisms which he called animalcules. Obviously they are protozoa and bacteria. Due to this achievement, he was called as father of microbiology. Definition of microscope is optical instrument consisting of a lens or combination of lenses for making elongated or magnified images of minute object called as microscope. The first type of the microscope is light microscope. It is also called as compound microscope. This microscope is very common and mostly used by students and researchers is an instrument. The compound microscope has two sets of lenses. First is objective and other is eyepiece. Objective is magnifies the image, so accurate focusing is attained by a special screw appliances called as fine adjustment. Several parts of microscope. First is eyepiece. It is important for magnify the real image of the object. Second one is objective lens. It is important for to gather the light rays coming any point of the object. Third one is the condenser. To obtain perfect image, the condenser is attached in between a mirror and a stage. A condenser bears a diaphragm. The diaphragm is used to reduce or increase the amount of light by reducing or increasing the angle and therefore also the amount of light that passes into the condenser. Fourth one is the mirror. A two-sided mirror, plane on one side and concave on other side, is also attached below the stage. In the absence of the condenser, the concave surface of the mirror should be used, and in the presence of the condenser, a plane surface of the mirror is used. Fifth one is the revolving nosepiece. It is also called as objective charger. A movable set of 3 or 4 objectives is fixed into the revolving nosepiece at lower end of the body tube and all are interchangeable. The distance between the front lens of the objective and the object slide need to be adjusted separately for 10x, 45x, 65x and 100x. Second part of the light microscope is numerical aperture. The angle subtended by the optical axis and the outermost rays still covered by the objective is the measure of aperture of the objective. It is half aperture angle. Hence, Na is equal to n sin theta. Here, Na is equal to ability of lenses to gather light, and small n is equal to refractive index. Second part of the microscope is fluorescence microscope. E. Bedjic, W. Morer, and S. Hale for the development of super-resolve fluorescence microscopy, which brings optical microscopy into the nano dimension. A fluorescence microscope is an optical microscope that uses fluorescence and phosphorescence instead of or in addition to reflection and absorption to study properties of organic or inorganic substances. The fluorescence microscope refers to any microscope that uses fluorescence to generate an image. The third type of microscope is electron microscope. The electron microscope is a type of microscope that uses a beam of electron to create an image of the specimen. Ruksa and Knoll constructed the prototype electron microscope in 1931. It is capable of much higher magnification and has a greater resolving power than a light microscope. An electron microscope is a microscope that uses a beam of accelerated electron as a source of illumination. Because the wavelength of an electron can be up to 1 lakh times shorter than that of visible light photons. The electron microscope has a higher power than a light microscope and can reveal the structure of smaller objects. Electron microscopes are used to investigate the ultrastructure of a wide range of biological and inorganic specimens. There are types of electron microscope. First is transmission electron microscope. Second one is scanning electron microscope. Third one is reflection electron microscope. And fourth one is scanning transmission electron microscope. So, thank you.
Thank you for watching our video.